Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and today is 2023 6th of July. Thank you so much for coming back here. Hi Hubert. Thank you so much for coming back. I know you guys are waiting there. Thank you so much. Always the first few batch. Okay, first group to come in. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. All right, and thank you for always monitoring this platform for me. Really relieve a lot of my workload. Thank you so much, Hubert. Okay, and yes. So when are you coming? Yeah, you will see me soon, alright? Okay, yeah, you see me every day, right? I don't have to say see you soon. Okay, hi CK, nice to see you. Hi Popcorn, nice to see you. Alright, thank you so much for coming in. Okay, yes, yesterday we have looks like yesterday after we have check out with what are some of the forex trick. Okay, and immediately with the FOMC meeting, it showed us that it has showed us what is happening. Okay, yeah, all right. So I think that is very nice. Okay, so good that I don't have to explain so much. Correct. The chart will explain by itself. Correct. Okay, right. So let's see. Okay. Yes. 千语 what? 千语 I don't know how to read this Chinese word. Hi, 你好. Yes. Okay. 老师好，101团队。OK。哎，你好，你好。今天台湾很有空哈，今天。101没上课吗 ？Okay, yes, okay, yep, all right. So, thank you so much for coming in today. All right, yeah. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, what is that? Oh, I see. Okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Fab. Hi, Namaste, Wasim. Nice to see you. Alright, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, yes, Fab, 你好。今天大家都来听直播。OK， 大家都来听直播哈，很好很好。OK， 每天都在哦 ，That's nice， 很好很好。OK， 谢谢你 Popcorn。All right，OK， so guys， well， let's do me a favor， smash the like button first。All right， quickly，OK，OK， enough of my nonsense All right，OK。Let's see what do we have here today. Okay, let me flash it out so that everybody will be able to know what am I going to focus on the currency pairs. Okay, so that will greatly help everybody. Okay, yeah. Yes, that you can live stream. Another window open it and the other talk in the Discord channel. Example below. Oh, I see. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I'm so sorry. I didn't manage to read your message in Discord in time. Okay, so yeah, okay, I will I will try it out. I will try it out. Okay, so let me. I'm still very fresh. I'm still a freshy newbie towards the Discord. So I need to really learn how to do it. Okay, yeah. Okay, and yeah, so let's see. So anybody know how to do that, right? Okay. If you guys know how to do that, do guide me along, okay? Okay. Okay, yep, and let's see. Okay, right. Wow. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah, nobody's with me, so I have to do it. I have to do everything by myself now. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, anyway, come guys. Yeah, let's get into this and let's see what are we gonna focus today. All right. Okay, so since Merry Christmas have mentioned that, I think that's quite a interesting one. Okay, so in that case, all right, I will, yeah, okay, I will flesh it out as well. Okay, I'll flesh it out as well so that the rest of you can join in. All right, if you are keen to. Anyway, I'm still very fresh. I'm not managing it at the moment yet. Okay, but slowly, okay, slowly we'll be going into that as well. All right, for at the moment right now, okay, I think let me see if the rest of my team able to handle it. Okay, if they can handle it, then we will go more into one more platform. Okay, because currently, okay, from 9, now I have 10, so I have 10 platforms now. Okay. All right, so I have very limitation to beautify, you know, to beautify my appearance here. Okay, I don't have a beauty camp in a way. All right. Okay, anyway, yeah, all right. Okay, so yep, let's take a look. What do we have here? Okay, first of all, let's take a look at dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. All right. Okay. Yes. Hi, John. John Maina. Correct. Hi. Where are you from, John? Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Maina. Right. Okay. So I love to make friends all over the place, all over the world. Okay. All right. So yep, and oh, you're from Kenya. Oh my God, that's a beautiful place. Yeah. Right. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah. All right. I'm from Singapore. So nice to see you here. Yeah. So do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can come in with a notification. All right. So at the same time. Alright, just a little bit of an introduction. Okay, we are here to build up a trading platform. Oh, you follow me, I see. Okay, thank you very much. It's my great pleasure here. Alright, so okay, so let's get into about dollar yen. Alright, I hope my live streaming helps you. Alright, okay, so dollar yen, since last week we have been watching over dollar yen just to look out for selling, and seems like yeah, this dollar yen, okay, finally it's actually looks like today the intervention came in, okay, and it's actually come into selling. Okay, so right now I'm actually looking into this situation right now where we are just broke the support here, and we still have quite a good space down there, about 45 pips. Okay, yes, John, 5 pip strategy. Yeah, grow my pot. Wonderful, congratulations, that's good. Okay, yep. All right, so yeah, that's why that's one of the reason I'm picking up this dollar yen, so that I'm still looking out for selling. So now it's testing again. Okay, so we have very good selling down here, but we cannot just take it for granted that it will still continue selling in a way that it will still go down. Perhaps it may, but we still have to look out for some key levels, all right, to make sure that our selling is actually in tune. All right, okay, so let me go through with all the currency pairs that I'm actually picking up, so that we will understand why all these have been picked up. Okay, today pound dollar. Okay, I'm looking out for pound dollar for a buying. All right, so at the moment we are not very, we are not very very keen for selling for now. Okay, so that is one. So hang on, but we may have a chance to sell later on. All right. Okay. So we'll skip this first. Hey, hi JR, nice to see you here. Yeah. Can you explain a trade setup where one possibly trade blah 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 call or put option for combo or with DXY, SPX. Okay. Wow, all these are okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Let me go through this first. Okay, my currency pairs first. Okay. All right. Okay. So. Alright, so first of all, over here for the pound yen, okay, for the pound yen, looking out for the pound yen as well. Last week we have been paying attention to pound yen, euro yen for selling, am I right? So looks like today it started to swing down, okay. They're bound to have reasons that the swing down, okay. I think because the dollar firms as the Fed, okay, and the fuel rate hikes, you know, and the yen has gained. Okay, so the yen has actually gained quite strong. Okay, quite a lot. So that's why we can see there's a lot of yen pairs are actually selling down. But these may be temporary. Okay, this may be temporary. Looking at the situation now, okay, looks like they are more onto looking for support. Okay, they are more on looking for support. So by looking into dollar pound yen, looks like we still have some space to go. All right, if the selling is still continue going down, we still have about 36 pips of space to go for the selling if the selling is coming. All right. Okay, so at the moment, okay, we can pay attention to that first. All right, so for euro dollar, let's take a look. So euro dollar, I'm looking out for selling because we are actually approaching the resistance. So we have a resistance here, and it may comes back here for support, which is about 40 pips. So that's one right we can pay attention to as well. All right, for euro kiwi, today the kiwi also very strong, and euro kiwi is actually swing down and reaches the support. So for the kiwi, if there's a chance to sell down, we still have about 100 over pips to go. Okay, all right. So I think that's still quite a potential one. Okay, yep. All right. Discuss the trader mindset, psychology, proper adjustment, need to blah 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 blah. Okay, sure, JR, no problem. Okay, just give me a little while. All right. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, yeah, very constructive one, JR. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's take a look at euro yen. Okay, euro yen. So euro yen again, all right. Euro yen, we are just looking into this for euro yen for selling as well. We have been looking out for so many days. So finally it came down, haha. But it reaches the support here, over here. But no worries. Okay, we are looking into euro yen breaking of this support of 155.887, and there will be a good chance. Okay, there will be a good chance for selling down again. So we can keep a lookout for that as well. That's for the euro yen. Alright, so for Euro Aussie, yes, Euro Aussie, okay, Euro Aussie, right now we are heading downwards in the bear, alright, so after the bull has exhausted, so you can see trending downwards nicely, and we are heading up onto the resistance, now currently selling off from the resistance. We still have around 30 over pips to go, so yep, that is one that we can take a look. Alright, that's for Euro Aussie. Okay, and let's take a look. Aussie Kiwi. Hi MK, nice to see you here, MK. Right, for Aussie Kiwi, right, we are also selling down in the bear, and you can see nice trending downwards. Okay, so how about here? We are hitting on the support, so allow some resistance to come in before we actually take action. Okay, so probably we can looking at this H1. Okay, we are coming into from the trending down to a consolidation. So will it actually break out of the consolidation to sell? So it must break 107.559 before we can continue the selling. Okay, but looks like it's quite a good chance. Okay, all right, that's for the Aussie Kiwi. And next we will have Aussie Yen. Same thing, the yen pairs. Okay, so we are actually selling down now. Okay, we are building up the selling structure, it has showed that the sellers are actually coming in. It's just that we have some price print over here, which form as a support. Okay, so this support is still here, correct? It's still here. So let's see. Okay, let's see if the support able to okay break. Then later on, when we retest this support, we will have about 47 pips to go. So I think that is quite nice as well. Alright, so next to go will be the Aussie franc. Alright, Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc, we are coming down as a bear. So looks like we are heading up into a head and shoulder. Looks like one over there. So you can see the left shoulder, we are coming in as a right shoulder. So allow it to one, okay, test into the resistance to build the right shoulder or break the support, and we will continue the selling down for 40 pips. Okay, so that is for the Aussie franc. Okay, so that currently, okay, I see that there's a good chance. But yesterday, after the FOMC meetings, okay, this morning in the Asia market, stock tumbling. Okay, stock tumbling down. Okay, so I expect to see later on the Euro market. Okay, Euro stock market will have some reaction. I wouldn't say it will tumble down. Okay, it will have some reaction. Okay, so let's see how is it going. Okay, how it will react. Okay, then we will see how what's the reaction for all the currency pairs. Then we will decide what to do along the way. Okay, all right. So yep, coming in. All right, while waiting for I'm waiting for the pound dollar. Yep, yeah, Aussie pairs. Yes, okay. Right, so let me come back here to read up. Okay, slowly. Okay, can you explain the trade setup where one possibly trade on the for all this? Okay, for all this, I think you're talking about like tech on the Tesla, Apple, okay, Nvidia, okay, all these. If you're talking about all this in terms of I won't really can advise you, okay, for like Tesla, Apple, okay, why? Okay, the way I read the forex market is a bit different from the way it's going to be in the stock. Okay, well, the reason behind is that my style in reading, okay, for that for forex trading, based on the market reaction. Okay, based on market reaction. Well, as for this as for like Tesla, Apple, all these, it depends largely not just about the market, also the company projections as well. Okay, so their plans ahead. There's plenty of things out there. All right. So as for that, normally I don't really advise on that. But because for me, okay, yes, I bought a Tesla share, okay, lately, okay, I bought it at a price of 186, I think it's 186, yeah. So, of course, very happy. Now it's 2 something, right? 27 something, right? I think so. Yesterday has some, I think, yeah. Okay, so but how I actually move in with this is that I move in terms of dollar cost averaging. Okay, I go in as a dollar cost averaging strategy. So I don't expect myself to buy in as a low price and I'm going to sell at a high price. Okay, so usually I go for stock. Okay, usually I go for dollar cost averaging. Okay, so you have to work out. So you have to work out a plan. Okay, for example, if let's say you have $20,000, okay, on hand, that you are willing to invest. Okay, usually I don't go for 20,000 straight into one particular stock. I will first of all divide it out. For example, I will divide it out for the next 24 months. Okay, so let's say I will maybe I will put 1,000. Okay, I will put 1,000 a month. Okay, I will buy in 1,000 a month. Whether the price is high or low, okay, I will buy in $1,000 a month, so that after 24 months, okay, which is 2 years, right? Then let's say I put in the 24,000, then I will have an average price, correct? So I will lock in an average price, okay? So I will allow the market price to float. As long as the market price is floating higher than my average price, I think that will be good. Okay, never try to speculate the stock. Try not to, okay? Because if you're doing a contra, for example, like T plus 3, you know, and you are going to without any capital outlay, you're going to transact within the T plus 3 or T plus 2 for a certain place. All right, it depends on your location, okay, and regulations there. All right, then that is actually really a very high risk speculation, which I don't really encourage that. If you are talking about option, okay, if you are talking about options, yes, option can be quite safe in a way. All right, option can be quite safe in a way. So it also depends on the contract. Okay, so you have to understand the contract, when's the expiry date for the contract. So if I'm going to call for it, okay, within that particular month, within the contract duration, if I'm putting a call or put, okay, it should be safe, but during this situation, okay, during this financial situation right now, okay, we have a lot of things that may affect. Okay, a lot of events that may affect. Like example, you know, some like rate hikes. That's the key thing. Okay, that may affect the whole thing. Okay, so there's something also to be very careful about. For me, I don't go into option. Okay. Okay, I don't really go into option. Yeah, so yeah, because I'm a trader. I think I'm a full-time trader in forex trading. So I just trade. And I realize my profit every day. Yeah, you get what I mean? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's one. All right. Hi Manwai, nice to see you here. Okay, so could you discuss the trader mindset, psychology, and proper adjustment need during the trade, and if it is even possible for a single or multiple spaced out trades? Okay, first of all, trader mindset and psychology. I think there's a lot to talk about this. Okay, but first thing first, all right. First thing first is that you have to really place yourself in a position that you are not a gambler, you are neither a specular. Okay, so you don't speculate. Okay, we although our action, okay, is very close to speculation, right? Okay, but then again is that we need to study. Okay, once you study the chart, okay, if you study the chart, okay, always tell yourself that I study the chart, I must have a plan. Okay, if the price don't reach my plan, don't go with my plan, I will never enter a trade. Okay, so that's one key. So the next thing is that for me as a full-time trader, a lot of full-time trader, I mean, I also aim, okay, say, okay, I need about 3,008. Okay, I need about 3,002 to 3,008 a day of a profit to survive. Okay, so if I don't meet that 3,008, do I really squeeze myself to sit down in front of the PC for the next 24 hours just to trade and make that $3,800? You get what I mean? So the more you are focusing on your daily targets, okay, it may bring anxiety in you to achieve that. Because sometimes when you achieve that, sometimes the greed creeps in. Correct? The greed will start to creeps in. Am I right? Okay. Oh, 3,008 today. Oh, so early. Okay, in the first 2 hours. Okay, so I probably I stay on another 2 hours. I'm going to make another 3,008 to fulfill tomorrow's target. You know, that is greed. Okay, so usually try not to. Okay, and trader psychology, there's a lot of talk about it. But the very basic one, for example, okay, I never trade alone. I never want to trade alone. For example, do you know why am I here with you right now online, live streaming? Okay, because I also want to discipline myself. You know, I want to discipline myself by, okay, my plan is here, I'm going to wait for the price to reach this, and before it reach this, I will not come in. And while I'm explaining it to you, correct, I cannot be telling you, okay, let's wait for this resistance before I enter a trade. On the other hand, and I go and enter a trade right now. Am I right? Okay, that is something I call self-slap, you know. Okay. So I'm also trying to discipline myself. Okay, if not, I'm a very wild trader. Okay, for example, like say, okay, I see that there will be a good chance now it's going to sell down. All right, there will be a good chance selling down. Okay, from here to here. Okay, maybe have about 8 pips. Okay, probably I will go in for 3 pips. A very quick scalping. Okay, a very solid scalper. Okay, yeah. Okay, the moment it reach here, okay, I'm going to put in a buy because it's going to test onto this resistance. Okay, so once the price hits here, okay, it set up the support. Okay, I'm going in for the buy again. So there's a lot of trade that I can enter. Okay, but the thing is that the more trades you enter, the risk is getting higher. Like Chinese say, okay, like the Chinese always say, all right, the higher the frequency you visit the mountain, you bound to meet the tiger. Okay. All right. Okay. 上的山多终遇虎啊。Okay. 上的山多终遇虎啊。Okay. So you know, so I'm trying to discipline myself. So I never want to trade by myself alone. So I always trade in a group, okay, in a team, all right. So that while I'm sharing my trades, idea, my plan for myself, okay, I used to talk to the PC without live streaming. Okay, hey Eric, look at this. You are going to wait for the resistance here. Okay, after the resistance reaches here, okay, it forms the selling entry, then you sell down to this. Okay, right, yeah. So time to time, as I'm talking to myself, to the extent, okay, I know what's going to happen. All right, and I still go back to my bad habits. So since that's the case, I'm going to correct my bad habit. At the same time, I'm going to share my thoughts. Anyway, I'm speaking to the PC. Why not I just go live streaming? So the more people will benefit. Am I right? And at the same time, I discipline myself. And more people like you out there, okay, experts out there, can share your idea in this community, and all of us learn together. Don't you think that at the same time we are making use of a Forex platform to build a wonderful Forex community for everybody in the world, correct? Not just talking about money, we are here to share, correct? Okay, so at least I'm doing something within making use of Forex trading more meaningful, you know, you get what I mean? Yeah. Yes, John, that's right. Solid scalper. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's right. Okay, so there's a lot of things if I'm talking about all these psychology, okay, all these, yeah, there's plenty of things to talk about. So we don't just need discipline, okay, and we also don't need a perfect trades. We need action, okay, we need action. So action, it also means that, okay, sometimes everything can be good, but you know what, okay, but we lack of action. You know, in the past I was like, okay, I can tell this one to this one, this from here I can tell that the price is coming down here, but there's no action. So in the end, it doesn't help. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. Yes, John. Yeah. What you are doing helps me. Helps in our psychology, especially me. Thank you so much. Okay, I am very glad and happy to hear that my sharing it helps. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. So in terms of proper adjustment needed during the trade. Okay. For this part here, I think for me, I will only take one trade at a time. Okay, for example, if I'm going to take a selling trade now, okay, if I'm going to take a selling trade now, all right, then I will make sure this trade it hits either my TP or my SL. Once it's closed, then I will go for another trade. Okay, I will not I won't be entering multiple trades to hold multiple trades at the same time. Okay. Yeah, all right. I'm a very simple man. Okay, I'm a very simple man. Okay, so I will try to keep it as simple as possible. I try to look at the chart, analyze the chart using very simple analogy. Okay, and also very simple strategy that everybody can understand. Okay, I believe. All right, then just keep it simple. Alright, so one trade at a time. Once it's closed, then I'll go for the next one, if possible. If there is, if not, then I will just the rest. If I enter one and the next one actually comes along, I will say okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, alright, okay. So just keep it simple. Okay, do not believe your eyes that traders are just behaving like those that we've seen them from movie. Okay, all right, okay. So especially like Leonardo DiCaprio. Okay, Wolf of Wall Street, right? Okay, no, please. Okay, no, we are not that way. All right, we are not that way. Okay, yeah. All right. So just keep it simple. We are. For me, I'm not sure who are you. Okay, maybe you are somebody big shots out there. Alright, I'm not as rich as you guys thought. Okay, I'm just making use of forex trading as a living. That's all. Okay, yeah, I'm just making it as a living. That's all. Yeah. Okay. So perhaps one day, once you visit me, alright, you will know. Okay, you will know. I'm living in a very I'm living in a very humble way. Okay, let's not talk about my Lamborghini. Okay, that is my collection. Okay, just kidding. Okay, just kidding. All right. Okay, so yeah, I'm keeping everything as simple as possible. So that you don't have a lot of stress in your daily lifestyle. In order to trade more, to make more, so that you will maintain your daily lifestyle. Okay, so now try to keep it as simple as possible. Along the way, as we trade, as we will know, we will see. Okay, how it goes, how it grows. Okay, it grows your pot. Then plan to invest some maybe for a start some insurance, okay, to give yourself some assurance as well, because traders has no company benefits, medical benefits, so we got to buy insurance for ourselves. Am I right? Okay. And especially when we sit down here for so long, we need to make sure we are properly and adequately insured. Okay. Okay, as if I'm selling insurance. Okay, but there's something there's something that we really need to. Okay, yes. Hi Forex New Way. All right, ADR hits for the dollar yen. Looking out for short-term buys. Watch UK opening for an entry. All right, thank you so much. Okay, yes, I'm simple and articulative. Yes. Yes, I am. Yes, MK, your daily profit target is very big. That is for example. That's for example. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, Leonardo DiCaprio. That's right. Okay. So, yeah, just keep it as simple as possible, huh? All right. Okay. So, other than that, I think the thing that I really love to do is that to share. Okay. Then I love to travel to around the world to share what I know, okay, what I know for forex trading. Okay, whenever I go, okay, I know. I am my style is like a beginner. Okay, it's a beginner. All right, just like yes, Hubert. So when are you coming? Okay, oops, I'm sorry. Oops, I'm sorry. I shouldn't say I like to travel. I love to travel around the world. Yes. Just hang on. I will be there. Okay. All right. Okay. Travel to Kenya. Hey, John. Let me tell you something. Yeah, Kenya is one of a place that I'm looking forward. Yeah, Kenya is something that I'm always looking forward, because you know what? In the past, sometimes when I'm nothing to do, okay, over the weekend, and as I'm doing some planning, or when I'm in a hotel, okay, I always tune into National Geographic, or World Animal Planets, okay. Then whenever they start to cast Kenya, I will always stop there. I will, wow, beautiful. Wow, nice. I always think, oh, when will I have a chance to fly to Kenya? Yeah, that's for me whenever I talk about Kenya. Yeah. Okay, so yep. So yep. Hopefully Kenya. Okay. Kenya will be. Hopefully Kenya will be one place that we have a big group of traders. Okay, so I will wait for your invitation, so that I can fly there with a reason. Okay. Yeah, a lot of my guys was telling me, a lot of my guys was telling me that hey sir, you always go for holiday. No, I don't go for holiday. But I travel a lot, yeah. But I don't go for holidays, alright, yeah. Just like recently, okay, I went to this place, okay. It's this area is a tourist area. It's a tourist spot, but I went there for work. Okay, I went there for forex training. Okay, so can you imagine? I was there for 2 weeks, okay, and I only went for I'm in one area within that 3 kilometers, and I never walk out of there. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I travel a lot, but I don't go for holidays. Yeah, okay. So hopefully Kenya will be one. Okay, I'll be there for 2 months maybe, or 6 months. So many things. Too many things. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so let's come back here. All right. So today. Okay. After I think. Yes, John. I will be waiting for you. Thank you so much. I really hope to be there one day. That's one of the place that I wish to go, apart from Egypt. Okay, yeah. Since young, I always want to go Egypt. Yeah, but never have a chance to go there. Yeah. Another place for me to explore is India. Yeah, India. In fact, I have a chance to explore India. Not really India. Okay, yeah. Delhi, yeah. Okay, the new Delhi, yeah. But unfortunately, I missed. I missed that trip. Yeah. So hopefully, okay. So, oh yeah, Forex New Way. Forex New Way is in Japan, huh? Yeah. September? Will you be in Hokkaido? Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's take a look. Thanks so much for your response. Insightful and great content. Thank you so much, JR. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm just sharing my personal thoughts. Okay. I hope it helps. All right. Okay, so let's take a look at the currency, like any currency pairs that you guys are looking out for. Okay, for me myself. Okay, I'm actually following this. Pound dollar. Okay, I'm following a pound dollar. So pound dollar, I'm looking for something. Okay, I'm looking for something. Okay. Pound dollar, I'm looking out for 127,530. Okay, and hopefully that we can see that. Okay. Hi Godfrey, nice to see you here. Okay, dollar cat, right? Now dollar cat over here. Let's take a look. It's been a while. I miss you so much. All right, so over here, for dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat over here seems like, okay, dollar cat is actually since yesterday. Okay, yesterday it has started to move. It started to move into my profitable area. Okay, my profitable area over here, this area here. So I'm still looking out for buying. All right, I'm still looking out for buying to complete this area here, which is about 133,191. It is still on the buy side. Okay, I'm still looking out for buy about 27 pips above current price here. Okay, so tentatively, if I'm going to continue the buying for the dollar CAD, I need a support. Okay, by looking into this, the push here, the dollar has moving quite strong. After that, moving towards the north, breaking out, trying to break out of this resistance here. All right. Tentatively, it's still looking out to break out of this resistance here. All right, this area here. So we can see that they are struggling. Okay, so if let's say, okay, let me take a closer look about all this movement here. All right, so if dollar CAD able to, I think dollar CAD probably may have some short-term selling down here. All right, about 10 over pips to about 132,756. Okay, then I will take a buy here. All right, I will take a buy to continue the journey. All right, unless it breaks below. If it breaks below to form a resistance below there, then I will go for a selling down to sorry, I cannot find. Let me see. 132,356. About 132,356. Okay. All right. So let me do it again. All right. So for now, okay, we have a support here. All right. So we are looking out into this. They are testing onto this resistance. Unfortunately, it looks like the first breakout over here. It's coming back down. Then I'm waiting for it to come down to 132,762 around here. Then if it's setting up for a buy, I will continue the buy journey. If this breaks below 132,762, then after retesting with a lower highs here, look out to sell down to 132,356. Okay, that's for the dollar CAD. All right. Yes. Okay. So that's for the dollar CAD. Yeah. Yes, Sabrina. Pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Yes. By the way, Godfrey. Okay. Managed to get it. Okay. For pound dollar. Okay. Yeah. Yes, bro. Here is too cold. What? Okay. Okay, so yep, come over here. Okay, Sabrina. Sabrina. Okay, so let's see. For pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. If you're looking out for a buy. Okay, if you're looking out for a buy here, and tentatively is breaking out of this area here. Okay, if you're looking out for a buy, then you have to also look out for this area, one area here. Okay, and 2, 3. Wow, this is this is quite a good one. 127, 289. Yeah, I think that this is still quite a good one. All right. Yeah. But short-term buy. Okay, a short-term buy for 8 pips to take out these highs here. To test onto the resistance up there. Okay, let me see. Quite possible, huh? When I place it too small, when I put it this way too big. Let me see. Can you see we have support here, support here, support here, support here, and oh yeah, John taking coffee. It's too cold there, huh? Yeah. Okay. What's the temperature then right now? Okay, guys, you can see that the price for the movement over here, it looks like they are actually forming looks like they are in the range waiting to be broken, Okay. Can you see? All right. Okay, moving in this manner. All right. So probably if I think if there's a good chance that this will still continue to move up. Okay, move towards this 127,290. Okay, for pound dollar. Still moving towards the north. Okay. But looking at this, it looks like there may be after that with this area here. Let me see. With this area here. Okay, if this resistance able to hold, then I see there may be a good chance for selling down again. Okay, so probably you may want to wait for a while. Okay, and anyway, this is only about 8 pips. I think not worth taking a chance. Okay, not worth taking a chance. All right. Okay, so just hold on first. Okay, just hold on first. We'll just wait for a while. Okay, and see how it goes before we take action. All right, we have 7 minutes to go. Okay, 7 minutes to go for the London to open. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's wait for a while. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so all right, so let's see, let's take a look. Okay, yeah, so now pound dollar, that's one. Okay, yeah, yes, Feb. 我们的中文直接翻译成什么？我们的 AI 直接翻译成中文，哇！Your AI direct translate into Mandarin? You mean while I'm talking? Yeah. Okay, so we have about 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes to go. Okay, yeah. Thank you, JR. Actually, no. Sometimes when we are having live streaming, while we are waiting for a trade, waiting for a market opening, all this, yeah, it's good to ask questions. You know, so that we have some communication. Then I think it's good. Yeah, all right. So that everybody can learn from each other as well. Just like me learning from you as well, you know. Okay, yes. Popcorn 这么牛 discount 我得买这么牛 OK 开玩笑我知道Actually can actually 都有嘛是不是 You see when you are using iPhone, alright, all you need to do is to click on the microphone on your keyboard. Yeah, then that will cowboy. Cowboy. You know, guys, when I'm typing on my keyboard, right, when I'm replying messages for Chinese, okay. They will always see that, hey, sir, your Chinese is really good. You can type Chinese. It's very good. Actually, they don't know. I have Siri. I have Siri. I just speak to the Siri, and Siri will type for me. Yeah. Yes, Sabrina. Yeah. Yeah, I'm making use of technology. Yes. Yes. Lately, I'm very fascinated with the AI. Yeah. So, so when you see me on the screen, it may not be me. Okay. I'm just joking, alright? But I'm just very fascinated about them. Yeah. Are you aware of the metaverse forex trading? Yes. For that, I think they are starting to move into that area. Okay. So, forex trading in future, yeah, it will be, if you are trading in this, but now we are like example, you are trading in one particular brokers, am I right? Okay, so you are with a brokerage. So in future, in near future, all right, we are going to trade in metaverse. You get what I mean? So perhaps I may have my own metaverse. So you guys will come into my metaverse, to trade. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that can be possible. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have about 2 minutes to go. I think getting near. Right. So let's see. Yeah. Yes. Okay, let's take a look. For the pound dollar. Yeah, we are on the pound dollar, right? Okay. At the moment, okay, it seems like over here we are taking out the highs, and seems like there may be a chance that selling is also possible. Okay, selling is also possible, but if we are to sell, we make sure we are selling from a resistance. Okay. So let's wait and see whether if there is any resistance that's going to sell. Okay. There's a possibility that selling is possible. Okay, London has opened. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look. Well done, John. Okay, you're taking your profits. 5 pips and I'm gone. Wow, that's fast. Okay, well done, very good. Okay, that's very fast. Okay, which currency pairs did you trade? Okay, so over here for the pound dollar, right? Looking at this pound dollar, we are now coming in. Okay, so looks like one. Okay, so for pound dollar, okay, let's see if this pound dollar is going to test into this area here. Then after that, it may start to retrace upwards. Okay, and to test into this resistance here. Right, then I think there will be a good chance for the selling again. Alright, yeah, you short the pound. I see. Okay, nice. Okay, well done, very fast. Okay, ooh, beautiful. So beautiful, right? Okay, so right now, okay, looks like the support has come into effect. Let's see some bounce back to retest into this area here. Okay, so with this area here, there may be another round of selling. If there's another round of resistance to come in, okay, then I think that would be good. Hit and run, solid scalper. Give you a thumbs up. Tung, tung. Well done, well done. Okay, that's very fast. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so right now, okay, looks like it's still pushing through. Wow, wow. Okay, nice, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, running for 14 pips now. Okay, yeah, in fact this is so beautiful, huh? Nice, nice. Over at this point here, let's see. Okay, if this is going to come back, if the price is going to come back here to build another resistance, then this is the area that I'm going to take note. Okay, I'm going to take note this area here. Alright, then likely there will be a chance for us to enter a trade to sell down from there. Okay, yeah. Yeah, and let's see. Okay, will you enter a trade once the price cross the support level 127.30? Oh, this level. Okay, you're talking about this level. Oh, once the price crosses, no, I will not. Okay, no, I will not. Usually, okay, such a situation, okay, usually it will just test and then likely to get rejected. Okay, likely to get rejected. So I will not enter here. Alright, I won't enter here. So for this wave, okay, this will be considered as the lowest point already. Okay, it's already at the lowest point. So usually I don't chase the low. I will wait patiently for the next round, okay, to build up another things like this. Then I will go for the selling. So then I will assess from here to here. It will be 7 pips. I will decide to see if there's a chance. Okay, that it shows that the price has ever pushed through, tested this area here. So we have a 10 pips here, and also we can see the very main support is down there here. So we have a 19 pips. So this is where you're going to assess, you know, the zone by zone to see how many pips I want to collect. I mean for myself, that's for me. That's for myself. Okay, yeah, okay, and once again, okay, and but we always need to make sure, okay, is we have enough space to collect our profits. All right, don't never think in a way that this is going to break the support, and that will give me more profits. You know, never think that way. Okay, never think that way. Okay, because if we think that way, it also means that we want the market to move that way. But as a trader, we always react according to what the market tell us. Okay, all right. Okay, so like now you see it's actually having some rejections from this area, am I right? From the resistance. So the resistance never come in the price, a solid line here. It's always a range, correct? It's always a range. So always look out for some rejections, okay, over here like this, you know, if there's a chance to sell down, all this, you know, making sure that you have a chance. All right, then after that you go for the selling. Okay, it still looks good to wait for a little while to test into this area here before we take action. Okay, all right, yeah, okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see if this resistance able to hold so that it will be able to come down here to take the lows. Okay, well, just wait for a little while. Okay, just wait for a little while. All right. No hurry, no hurry. Okay. Money downloading too. Yeah, okay. That's interesting. Okay, so generally for the pound, it needs to look out for support. Okay, it's looking for support now, so that to see that if there's a chance that it can break even higher. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Yes. Yes, Sabrina. You mean which one? I mean this area here. Currently, if I'm looking at this, okay, if 127, 127.32 here, if we can break this area here, there should be quite a good space down here to be taken. Yeah, okay. Should be quite a good space down here to be taken. Alright. Yeah, this area here. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, guys. Okay, so once we see, we from here, I'm looking at to that there's one rejection. Can you see there's a rejection here? All right, the candle got rejected into the area. This is only a resistance, but it's like I always say, resistance is never a line there, never a price there. It's always an area. Am I right? It's always an area. Okay, so you can see, right, with all the lower wicks here, it tested into it, got rejected down. Correct? It got rejected down here. So since it's rejected down here, okay, seems like this area has formed a resistance, and price went up, went down, test onto the support, this area of support here, and went up, rejected from the resistance, it came down. So now to see if this is going to close below the 127.32. Okay, 127.032. If this is going to close below, it shows that the breaking of this support is already there. So highly likely that this may continue the selling down. Okay, so okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, so yep, you can take a look at this. All right. Okay. Yep. GUTP Bradley, well done. Okay, well done, Bradley. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, good job, good job. All right. Okay, yeah, this is our cowboy. Now everybody terms you as a cowboy, huh? Yeah, okay, so yes, Sabrina, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So looking at this, all right, right now, okay, we'll be looking into this area here to retest 127.032. If this hold as a resistance, okay, if this hold as a resistance, then there will be a good chance that it will continue the selling down. Okay, it will still hold. If this hold as a resistance, there will be a good chance that it will still be selling off. Okay, selling down here. All right. Yeah. So two levels to look at. Two levels. Yes, two levels. One level is here. All right. Another level is here. Okay. So this is rejection. There's no resistance holding down. Am I right? There's no resistance holding it down. So at the moment, okay, at the moment, all right, unless there's a resistance hold below this 127.032, then I think it's fine. Okay, then we can forget about that first. Then likely this will bring the price down to 126.904. Okay, 126.904. Yeah. All right. Yeah. 126.904, correct. That's right. Okay. Looking into 10 pips. 69.65, 69.65, 69.65 here. If I can only tell you if the resistance holds, no problem. Okay, 69.65. Okay, yeah, okay, 69.65, then no problem if the resistance holds. Okay, yeah, okay, so I think that is one. Okay, right, so we can wait and see. Okay, we have about another 3 minutes to go. Okay, we have M15. Okay, let's see if this M15 here, M30 looking good, H1 looking good. Okay, yep. Over at this point here, okay, over at this level here, looks like still kind of not bad, I would say. If this able to close below, all right, 69.65, right? 69.65, correct? 69.65. Yeah, I think 69.65 should be okay. Okay, about 1 minute to go. Let me check. Yeah, about 1 minute to go. All right. We still about 1 minute to go. Okay. This 1 minute seems too long. Yes, okay. So, yep. Let's see, no worries. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if they are pushing. They are looks like they are pushing through. They are trying to maintain. Okay. Okay, but I think we are left with less than 5 seconds. Okay, less than 5 seconds. Okay, so now opened. Okay, so hang on for a little while. All right, there's still some to go. Not yet. It's good to this 5 minutes now. This is going to be crucial. Okay, now this is going to be crucial because this is this tested onto the resistance, got rejected down. So now will it actually form a resistance? If this is going to close as a resistance, okay, if this is going to close as a resistance, all right, then it will be very good. Okay, then it will be very good. You will see the good swing down. Okay, you will see a good swing down. All right. Okay, so currently it is still looking into this area is still considered not bad. I will still say that it's still quite good. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Now it's testing into this area here to see if this works. Let's see if this is able to hold. Okay, because currently it seems like it's actually yes. Can you clarify if whether buy sell are synonymous with bullish bearish trades regardless of direction respectively? Also, is there such a sell trade that's bullish and vice versa? Yes, JR. Okay. Alright. So buy sell are synonymous with bullish. Okay. We want to take a look things like clarify if whether buy sell are synonymous with bullish bearish trades. Okay. First of all, bullish. Okay. Let me get into this because bullish. We are talking about bull. Okay. So naturally we are looking out for the buy. Correct. Okay. If you are talking about the bear. Alright, if you are talking about the bear, we are looking out for the selling. Okay, so is there such a thing as a sell trade that is bullish? Okay, so if sometimes you have to understand, okay, while we are in the bullish, okay, but then again is that there may be some selling coming back because that is called pullback. Okay, the pullback. So there may be a pullback to look out for support to continue the buying. Okay, so maybe for example like this. Okay, for example like this. This is like now example. Okay, it's moving upwards. Correct? It's moving upwards. It should be like a bull. Am I right? It should be like a bull. But the bull may meet up with a resistance somewhere somehow. Okay, for example, then it needs to come back. Okay, it has some pullback. All right, when they meet up with a support, after that when it meet up with a support, all right, then from the support, when it touches the support, if the support is a higher support, let's say the support is here, and now you're getting higher. Am I right? So it hits on one of the support which is higher than the previous one, and that is where it will gain the strength to push further up. Okay, it will push even higher. All right, so that's one. Okay, all right. So so sometimes when when you are in a bullish trend, there are times that you get a chance to sell because you are selling as a pullback. Okay, you are selling the trade as a pullback. Okay, so that's what I meant, huh? All right. So the very basic. Okay, the very basic. If you are in the bullish trend, you buy. When you are in the bearish trend, you sell. Okay. So to keep things simple. Okay, to keep things simple. If you are looking for if the trend is bearish, even it's actually on the buy side. Okay, don't buy. Okay, don't buy. All right. Wait for the price to hit the buyers will hit onto a resistance. when it started to sell, then you sell according to the bear trend. Okay, yeah, so that will be a very good way to keep yourself adhere to the trend. Okay, so that you will minimize a lot of mistakes. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's one idea. Okay, so for example, like say for the pound dollar. Okay, for example, for the pound dollar, if you're looking out from the top here, coming down, actually it looks like a bear trend, correct? Okay, it looks more like a bear trend. So in this way, okay, in this case, as it's actually looking into the bear, all right, then we should be also looking out for things like, you know, selling. Okay, so when it hits onto the resistance, then we go for the selling. Okay, so that's what I meant. Okay, so for example, like now, if we actually let's take a look like this. Okay, if this for now, okay, we are coming down, for example, like this. Okay, now we are coming down here, support, okay, and we are actually coming into this area here where it meet up a resistance up there. Okay, so it started to sell down. So from here, it seems like a runway coming down, and then slowly seems like it's going to go for a buy. Am I right? So it seems like going for a buy, but when it's about to go for a buy, it needs a support. It needs a support level to push, to gather all the buyers to push higher, correct? So where will the buyers will be? Okay, so keep it simple. Let's use support. So probably there are some support down here. We can take a look here. All right, so if they on this level, there's a support level as well. Okay, so not surprised that along the way they will build up a new support, which from here it become a higher support. It's also possible. It also can be that way. You get what I mean? All right, so just now when it's selling down here, okay, so just now we were looking at this. First of all, it breaks this level, it closed below, so we will want to wait to see if this is able to hold as a resistance. Okay, so no entry first. So once it holds as a resistance, yes, then resistance comes in, it forms a new resistance. Yes, there will be a good chance for the selling down, correct? Okay. However, for a situation like this, it did not hold as a resistance. Now it breaks this into the support. So now it still continue to go. So just now this level, we have two levels like we say. Okay, so this level here, okay, so this level, will it actually continue to hold this as resistance? Well, if this close above, that means it's not going to hold as a resistance. Am I right? It's not going to hold as a resistance. So if this is not going to hold as a resistance, then too bad, correct? Too bad. Then it will still continue to go further up to test onto the next higher resistance, correct? Okay, so since we are looking for selling, we only have one direction in mind. We want to sell when the resistance comes. So when there's no resistance, we cannot sell. So no entry. No resistance, no entry, no resistance, no entry. It breaks all the resistance. No resistance, no entry, no resistance, no entry. So that means no entry. That means to say we are quite safe, am I right? Okay, you get what I mean? Alright, so that's I hope that will answer your questions. Okay, so right now with this, we are not ready yet. So over here, let's see, it's coming back into this area here to take down this. Okay, so unfortunately this let's see if that will actually hold as a resistance. Then after that, will it actually come down for a selling? Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, and looks like it's not holding it anywhere. It's still moving towards the north. Okay. Yeah, today we have an OPEC meeting. Okay, all day. Right now at this hour, we don't have anything right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. All right, yeah. This level, huh? Just now you're talking about this level, all right? Which one? This level? This level, yes. Okay. Yeah, somewhere here, yes. Okay, so for my understanding from your explanation, it's good to wait for a good future support that's a strong barriers based on the backtesting. Yes, for a potential bullish or sideways. Yes, correct, that's right. Okay. Yep. And for now, okay. As for now, like now we are actually going to test into this area here, okay, to see if this able to hold. Same thing, you always look out for resistance to see if able to hold. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's right. No wonder you didn't pick your pound dollar. Yeah, today I didn't choose my pound dollar, huh? Yeah. This will be only a short pullback, okay? Because as you can see, it's already landing. Yeah. So I'm actually waiting to see, okay, if they were going to test onto this to start the buying. You know, to start the buying here. Yeah. I'm actually waiting to see if there's a chance to start the buying here. Yeah. Okay. So you see, just now earlier on from here, okay. So it will actually start the selling, correct? It start the selling. Okay. So you guys capture the profits. Am I right? Okay. So, in order to enter, like I say over here, I want it to come back here to retest this area. Okay. Then to go down to look out for 126.94, 904, correct? Okay. So, but when it comes down, it tested onto this and got rejected up. From the resistance here, okay, it came down here. Once again, you can look at the space down here about. You can scout from here to get the profits. If this is going to close below, of course, it shows that it broke, right? It broke the support here. So looks good over here. Okay, so now it broke here, but if you are going to look at whether it will continue to go further down, okay, then it has to hold as a resistance at 127.032 to sell down from here. Okay, so when it comes in, okay, this area here, it comes in here, correct? Then it started to bring the price above 127.032, but it closed above. It did not close below, correct? So unfortunately, it did not close below. That means to say, no resistance to sell. So there's no resistance to sell. That means we cannot put in any trade. All right. Okay. So that's one. Okay. So that's one point. Okay, to take note. Okay, so that you know that okay, now it's moving towards, then it shouldn't be on the selling side. So no for selling. Okay, yeah. So how about you, Sabrina? Are you still holding on to this trade? I closed with 4 pips profit. Okay, okay. You close with 4 pips profit. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right, fantastic. Well done. Well done. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so yeah, just to be sure, okay, if you enter here, if this is going to break above, that means buying is quite possible, am I right? Okay, so just to make sure that you secure your profit, sometimes you don't have to wait. Okay, once the chart has shown the support is coming in, then you have to call for a stop. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yep. All right, so we have come in as now we are tested on the resistance. Coffee. Yeah, coffee. Okay, so tested on the resistance right now. Okay, it looks like some rejections coming back here again. Am I right? Okay, so let's see if this is a good chance for the selling down again. All right. Looks like there will be some good chance of a selling down. Okay. All right. So by looking into this level here, wow. Okay. This is only this again. This is a pullback, huh? Today, as I just mentioned, we have a landing down here, correct? And it's now going back to test into this level. It's going back to test into this level. So whatever selling over here, it is a pullback. Okay, it is a pullback. Okay, that will be a pullback. Okay, so please be very careful if you are selling off. Okay, selling against the trend. Selling against the trend, always scalping is always a good idea. Okay, yeah, so it's still trying to come back into this area. Okay, let me remove this. Let's keep it first. Okay. Yes. Which broker are you using right now? I'm using a Vantage International. Okay, so the link is below in the description box. Yeah, you can click and take a look. All right. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Yes, Forex New Way. 1 hour chart from dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Yes. Pound yen and euro yen for W setup coming. Watch for an entry at 5. Okay. 1 hour. Okay, so W. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Oh, the W is coming out. Okay. Yeah. And euro yen. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so by looking at this, okay, it looks like the W is coming up soon. Yeah, can pay attention to that as well. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay, so take it easy. So right now, if we are looking into the pound dollar, okay, this pound dollar, it need to be tested. Yeah, it need to be tested. Okay. Yeah, still same thing. Okay. Well, let's be patient. I see that the pound dollar looks like they are trying to show me that this is this wave has come to a max. They are coming down to look for a resistance. To look for support. Okay. Okay. So where the support will be? Where will the support be? Over here. Okay, 127.099. Okay, so should be looking at this level. Okay. One, two. Okay, so Let's take a look if this is the level that they are looking out for. Yes, it's selling down. Yes. Okay. All right. Short GU 5 pips entry. Wow, beautiful, nice, congratulations, well done. Well done, well done. Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Yes, okay. Okay, we are coming in now. Looks like now coming in. Okay, looks like we're coming into the support area now. And now coming. All right, okay. Slowly, looks like now some rejections here. All right, we have some rejections here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, cowboy 2. Going for 10, huh? Oh, you are going for 10. Going for 10. 10 a bit tight, huh? Yeah. Yeah, okay. 10 a bit tight, huh? 10. Okay. Try to give some buffer. Try to give some buffer, okay? All right. Yes, yes, yes. Slowly, okay. Yep, and yes. Yes, Flora, EU, okay. EU. Oh, EU, I will be waiting for EU, guys, okay. If EU is going to break this, yes, yes, good, Flora, they are good. If EU is going to break this, okay. If EU is going to break this to become a resistant, yes, we are selling back again. Okay, we are selling back again. All right. Yes, okay, good, very good, very good. Okay, well done. Okay, good, very good reading over here. Correct, Flora. Okay, okay, let's come back here. Pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar. Okay, once again we're coming back here. GUTP 10 pips Trinity. So just now you are short of spread, right? Okay, congratulations. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, congratulations. All right. Okay. Well done, everybody. Good, very good. Okay. Wow. Fab, GUTP 很好. All right, good job. Okay, very good, very good. All right, nice, nice, nice. Well done. Okay. Okay. So now we are coming into this area here. Now we are coming into this area here. Okay, so take note, take note. Okay, support is about here. Okay, the area should be here. Okay, cow family. Cow family. So we have about 10 pips down, 14 pips down to recover this area here. Okay. So if let's say if this is going to close below, all right, then if the resistance comes again, okay, then let's see if there's a chance for the selling. Okay, all right, okay, then let's see if this is going to close below 127,099. Okay, it is smoking fire. Okay, well done, guys. Okay, so importantly, okay, for all these trades here, okay, we need to identify the key levels, correct? We need to identify the key levels. For example, here, okay, we have identified this as a key levels just now. The resistance they are going to test is rejected down immediately. Then after that, the next key level that we are going to look out for is here. Okay, so we will be able to tell, okay, from this to this area, how many pips do we have? Okay, how many pips do we have? All right, so then we will grab the pips within this area, within this zone first. Okay, other than that, then we'll talk later. Okay. Anything that can go down all the way, okay, then we will talk later. Okay, so to make sure that we grab this zone first. Okay, yeah. Okay, so good, that's good. Okay, all right. Well done, well done. Okay. Yes, we are going to be sniper, scalper, solid scalper soon. Yeah, Sabrina, yes, okay. Yes, hi Fred. Just joined in less than 20 minutes and already gotten 20 pips. Wow, Fred, well done. Welcome in. Alright, welcome to the family. Cow family. Alright, I think that's good, Okay, congratulations. Very good, okay. Okay, so well, apart from getting the TP, guys, we must also know, okay, how we get the TP. Okay, so from just now from all this, okay, cow peeps. Thank you, my cow peeps. Where are you from, Fred? Well, I love to make friends. Yeah, okay, I'm from Singapore. Well, hopefully to see that we have one more new somewhere new locations. Okay, guys, so that perhaps one day we can meet up. We can meet up, alright, all over the place, all over the world. Joining from Kenya. Oh, Kenya too. Okay. Well, okay. Are you friends of John? Oh, I see, you know Fred. I see. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, that's nice. Well, okay, so now we are testing back into 127,099. Okay, now this is going to be a support. This is not going to be a resistance. Okay, so we are coming in. Okay, we are coming in now. All right. Okay, solid scalpers. Yeah, good, very good. Okay, very good. Well, so I'm going to change my channel name, okay, to Solid Scalpers channel. No, I'm not going to change. I'm going to start another. I should start another channel. Okay, I should start another channel called Solid Scalpers. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, alright, guys. I'm sending in this. I'm sending in my Discord. What is that? I heard a sound. So okay, what is that sound? Oh, I see. Alright, jaded. Okay. Alright, and I see a lot of you actually. Sorry, yeah. JD just joined in this my Discord channel. Okay, so just sending in this because my link. So tentatively, okay, is to update. Okay, just in case I'm going for overseas. Okay, or some business trip, I may be away. So I just keep you guys updated whether my life is still going on. I mean, my life is still going on. My live streaming is still going on. Euro Kiwi, alright, Euro Kiwi. Let's take a look. Euro Kiwi, today we are looking for selling. Okay, today we are looking for selling for Euro Kiwi. So allow Euro Kiwi to retest. Ah, good. Euro Kiwi, allow it to retest. We have a change here. Oh, same. It has a range here. Okay, it has a range here. Okay, so this range of resistance, if Euro Kiwi is going to test into this area, all right, and form a resistance, then we may be looking out to sell down here for 38 pips. Okay, down here, 38 pips down here. Okay, all right, so that's one. Okay, so that's one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so look out for this. All right, go free. Okay, so look out for the resistance there. Okay. Yep. So that's for the Euro Kiwi. Okay, and how about the pound dollar? The pound dollar looks so fun today, huh? Okay. Okay, we have tested down to this, the strongest area of resistance here. Okay, so support here. So it got rejections. Let's see if this is going to break below to form another resistance. Then there'll be a good chance. Okay, there'll be a good chance to continue the selling down back to this area here. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Sabrina, yes. Yes, John, wait for the signal. Yes, okay. So, Sabrina, yeah. I closed with 4 pips profit just now and it's back down here. But I think it's fine because I wouldn't want to cultivate the bad habit of holding trades beyond my limits. Yes, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good, that's good. So my next question is, I'm going to pump in another trade for selling if the resistance comes in again. Okay, if there is, okay, if there is, all right, yeah. Okay, so yep, okay, looks like changes. There are some changes again. All right, looks like there are some changes again. Okay, so yep, yes. All right, Mafoza DDM. Yes, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much. Are you you look like let's see. Is this okay, let's see. I don't know. Wow, what a nice mountain there. Is that, I can't see. I can't really see. Okay. Wow, but it's a nice scenery. Okay, so yep. Okay guys. Okay, we are left with about 10 minutes to H1 opening. Okay, so yeah, my live streaming will be 2 hours and we are left with about 10 minutes. We're left about 10 minutes to go. Okay, yeah, all right. Yes, hi Fred, thank you for coming in. Okay, so let's have some planning before I go. All right. Okay. Take coffee, please. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think yes, should. Okay. Having great fun and great time with all of you here. You know, sometimes when I'm away with business trip, well, I really miss you guys here. Okay, yes, Sabrina. Okay. Yep. Okay, so now as we can see for the pound dollar, looks like we are going to oh yes, Bradley, yeah, pound dollar. Pound dollar, it looks like we are breaking through this area. Okay, so it has some retest over into this area here. All right, it retests and now it started to sell down again. But take note, okay, I would suggest, okay, from here to here about 9 pips there. Okay, but you have 9 pips, you can scalp for 5, but then again the candle has not closed, so it may become like now, okay, it may become a support within the support area. Okay, it may become a support. Okay, so please be very careful. Okay, please be careful, huh? Be careful. Okay, all right, 5 pips stacking. Good job, John. All right, with 5 pips, how many pips have you collected today? With that 5 pips, how many pips have you collected today? Yeah. Okay, so okay, right, guys. But do remember, if even you are collecting 5 pips, please do not increase your lot size. Okay, always the lot size have to maintain as per your account size as well. Okay, it must have a healthy ratio. All right. Okay. Okay, so we have 3 minutes to go. Let's see if this is going to close below. All right. Okay, out of the area here. Now, if this is going to, or it will form a resistance down. Okay, then it will still be good. Okay, then it will still be good. Okay, so yep. All right. Yes. Right now, I think moving towards the H1, got to be very careful, huh? Okay, my pot 5 pips times 0.01 stacking. Okay, okay, that's quite healthy. Good. Okay. All right, 0.01 times stacking. Okay. Yes. Yes, MK. What do you think about risking 1%? For me, per trade, per trade, risking 1%. Sometimes, as for me, my case, okay, like Sabrina has executed one good example just now. She, I don't know, just now around here, 4 pips, right? Okay, so I guess her entry should be around here. Her entry should be around here. So you see, at times, if you are risking 1%, okay, that means to say, you may have guaranteed losses of 1%, correct? But if you are basing on what the chart is moving, how the chart is moving, all right, then there may be a good chance that you may be risking less than 1%. Okay, for example, let's say you enter here. Okay, let's say your entry is here, right? So just now we are looking into this area, correct? We are looking into this area, so 10 to 12 pips. All right, so let's say if this is actually breaking above this resistance, you are entering basing on the resistance. But if the trade is going against you and breaking out of the resistance, that means you know that the resistance has broken, so there isn't any seller to hold it down at that point of time. So probably you cut the trade at about 4 pips as well, maybe 4 to 5 pips, which may be less than 1%. And from there, it may continue to move further up to your 1%, but you cut it earlier. You get what I mean? Alright, so at times, basing on that 1% may not be enough. Okay, may not be good enough. Okay, but of course, basing on theoretically, okay, that 1%, theoretically is good to have 1% risk. Okay, but try to keep it less than 1%. Okay, try to keep it less than 1%, maybe 0.8. Okay, maybe a good size of 0.75, 0.8. Always work around there. I think that should be even better. Okay, 1% is always the max. Okay, 1% is always the max. So that means to say 1% per trade. If you are consecutively, you're going to lose 100 trades, you will burst your account. Am I right? Okay. So if you are going for 2%, that means you are ready to go for 50 trades. Then your account will be burst. So try to keep it lower. Try to keep it lower. All right. So, but if you are basing on the chart, like the example like I just quoted, okay, then sometimes, I mean, at times you'll realize that it broke the resistance. I can't hold it anymore. Okay, if you are working on that rules, then you cut it off. Okay, then it may be lesser than 1%. Okay, so up to individual, you have to assess your trading pattern, your acceptance of risk. Okay, and then from there, then you will decide. Sometimes towards some others, okay, that they may be using another way to trade. So if they use my way from breaking of resistance to form support, then they will then to cut the trade. That may be a premature SL. Okay, that may be a premature SL. So that may not work for them. Okay, so it depends on how you trade. Okay, how you trade. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep. Thank you, John. John was saying, great explanation, better than ChatGPT. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. John is very humorous. Okay, you bring a lot of joy here. Thank you. I like that. Okay, yeah. So guys, so just check out. Okay, and so you have to understand how you trade. Okay, you have to understand how you trade. All right. Okay, so that will greatly help. Okay, a lot. Okay, so make sure that all this, okay, to make sure that you have a good back testing. Okay, then after that you will see how it goes. All right, you'll see how it blends into your trading. Then you decide. Okay, then you decide. Okay, all right. Sometimes with all this 1% or something like that, you also need to do some back testing to make sure it will come in play together, all right, with your trading strategy, so that it will not clash. Some people use 1%, it works. Some of them use 1%, it don't work. Okay, it's because of the strategy they are using. They clash with this 1%. All right. Okay. So if you think that makes sense, then do some back testing for yourself. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so once again, we'll come back here just now. Let's do some last explanation here. As we can see over here, just now as it comes in here, I say no selling right now, Sabrina, correct? Because it did not close out of this area. If it closed below, I also be waiting for one retesting to form a resistance before I start selling. So now it's set up. Now in this area, it set up the support. Okay, within the support area, then now it become a buying. Correct? Now it's become a buying. Okay, so work on all this theory, all very simple theory, and you will be able to find all these all these key levels, you know, then you will be able to tell whether should I buy now, should I sell now, or should I stay away now. Okay, all right. Okay, so that should be all for today. Okay, then lastly, take a look at the Euro Kiwi for Godfrey. All right, so still waiting for it to go into this resistance area, then forming up a resistance, then you can start selling. If not, no, stay away first. Okay, all right. For pound dollar today, we are still looking out. Generally, we are still looking out for a buy. Okay, we are still looking out for the buy. So any selling is always a pullback. So when you are trading on a pullback, I will advise always look out for the space available towards the support. Then after that, use scalping. Okay, do a scalping so that you will not get trapped inside. Okay, all right. Okay, so that should be all today. All right, and I shall see you guys tomorrow once again. Okay, we will be right here. Okay, so yes, okay. Okay, so yes, thank you, Sabrina. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you guys. I shall see you again. All right, see you guys and wish you good luck in your trading and with bountiful of profits. All right, thank you so much and see you again. See you. Good day, everybody. All right, thank you.